In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Freshdesk for ticket management. Whether you're new to Freshdesk or you're looking to refine your ticketing process, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get the most out of this powerful customer support tool. Let's begin by navigating to freshdesk.com. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the Tickets tab. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing customer inquiries and support requests. When you're ready to create a new ticket manually, look for the plus new button located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and then select the ticket option. This action will open up a form that you'll need to fill out to create a new ticket. In this form, start by entering the requester's name or email. This information is crucial because it helps identify who the ticket is coming from and allows you to respond correctly. Next, you'll need to fill in the subject and description fields, which are key to summarizing the issue and providing a detailed account of the customer's request. Don't forget to set the priority of the ticket, whether it's low, medium, high, or urgent, and assign it to the appropriate group or agent if applicable. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, go ahead and click Create to finalize the ticket. But what if you want to streamline this process? Freshdesk has a handy option where any email sent to your dedicated support email, let's say it's support@yourcompany.freshdesk.com, is automatically converted into a ticket. This means less manual work for you and a more efficient way to handle incoming queries. Now, let's talk about responding to a ticket. You begin by clicking on a ticket from your list, which will allow you to read the message thread. Understanding the context is crucial before you proceed. To respond to the customer, simply click Reply. Here, you have the option to attach files, use canned responses for efficiency, or add private notes for internal team communication. This versatility ensures your response is both comprehensive and personalized. Once you're satisfied, click Send or Update to complete the process. To keep your workflow organized, Freshdesk provides filters that you can use to sort your tickets. These filters let you sort by options such as status, priority, group, or agent. This makes it easy to find and prioritize tickets based on urgency or team assignments. Additionally, adding tags can help categorize tickets, making it simpler to track common issues or requests for future reference. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing customer support tickets with ease and efficiency using Freshdesk. Thanks for watching and happy ticketing.